Hello everyone, welcome to InfoPlace. In the previous video, we have discussed about creating an account on the website called Koloti Bablo. In today's video, we will learn how to work on this website. You can watch our previous video by pressing the button on top right. So let's move on to the website and start working. Okay, so this is the website where we will work. Captcha entry. We have created this account yesterday, so we will sign in right away. Okay, so we have to add this. Okay, so we have entered the system. As you know that we have already installed this certificate and also this browser plugin. So
इन्फोप्लेस देखने वाले तमाम दोस्तों को खुशामदीद। अगर आप हमारे चैनल पर नए हैं तो अभी सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकॉन दबाना ना भूलें ताकि आपको आने वाली हर वीडियो से मुतालिक मालूमात मिलती रहें।
You have to watch the previous video where we have already told you that how to install this certificate and this browser plugin. So after login, you have to do one thing before start working. You have to set something like this. Okay, you have to set these priorities. We are not going to solve image captchas, so we will turn off anti-gate test. You can leave it turn on. You have to uncheck image captcha again, fun captcha also, and g-test captcha. So basically we are going to solve h captcha. So after this setting, move on. Okay, we are done. So we are going to start from here, work via web, or you can start from here right now. Okay, so here we go. This is the main screen. So we have got first captcha, which is asking for bicycle. Okay, this one and this one. Okay, so you have to submit. Okay, that's it. Oh, one more thing, you have to okay, same window, you have to set the same window so it won't open a new tab every time. Okay, what is this asking? A car. You have to select all the images which is showing us car. Okay, we are done. Submit. Okay, so we are here. It is testing our IP. Actually, the speed of the internet also matters, and the image priority is also concerning point. You have to watch this. Okay, so an airplane. We can't find any airplane, so we will skip this task. Train. A train. Train. Okay, there is no more train, so we will submit this. What is this? Again a train, and train. Submit. Okay, so this is basically the work which you have to do. So I will quit this. Okay, we are moving towards withdrawal process. Okay, you have to go to finance, you have to go to withdraw. Here we go. You have multiple options. You can use ADV cash, you can directly withdraw to cryptocurrency, Litecoin, internal transfer, which is bank transfer, and capitalist. I probably use this one, and it's your choice what you are using for withdraw money. Thanks for watching. I hope you have learned a lot from this process and you will start earning right away. So if you have any question, you can ask us. Do let us know if you have any question in comment box. Please also subscribe this channel and keep watching InfoPlace.